Hello, my name is Shane Walsh. My student number is A00211164. This is my second screencast on my project, Campus Comedy Performances. And if I just click in here to my access table, it'll immediately bring me to my homepage. This is due to a macro, which I will show now. If I just go in here down to macros and auto exec, go into the design view, and you can see here I have forename main, view form, window mode normal, and basic premises to open this specific form. Now I've also named this auto exec. This makes it so this macro starts on startup. So as soon as I start the access file, it'll bring up my main menu right here. Now if I just go into, let's say, agent ID, go into design view, and you see here agent ID. In input mask I have 000. This only allows users to input 3 digits. If I go in here to my datasheet view, you can see here there should only be the maximum number users should use when setting up a new ID. And you can see here in validation rule it cannot be below 0. And also with validation text that will warn users to never go to below 0. And if I just show you in here, so if I want to create a new table and just create 5, 6, 7, 7. It won't allow me to go above 3 digits. So I have to get rid of that. And also cannot allow me to go below 0. And that's it for that field. And if I just click into another piece of data, such as maybe first name, the validation rule is null or not like AZ, and the validation text for this is only contain letters to A and Z. Field size for this is also 30. Should factor into the rules of this. So say if I want to create a name and call it S1, it will not allow me to do this and tell me to only create letters between A and Z. Now this is handy for creating data and you don't want users to enter incorrect data. This is handy for this. And some of my run queries here have specific data which creates tables. So if I click in here to run query, show dates and details, it tells me to modify data in my table. I hit yes. It tells me to modify an existing table. I hit yes. And I'd place 20 rows, yes again. If I go into show dates and details, it will show me 20 rows of data updated, and you'll see through here you have a good rundown of data, backup data for the dates and details of each specific performance. And if you go in here to agent ID, then tells each button to add a record, delete record, go to new record, print record, or exit the application. And in my campus comedy forms, I also have close form, which will close down that menu. And I also have quit application, which will quit me out of the accessed table altogether. And just go here to save changes and hit yes. And that's a specific rundown of input masks, validation rules, validation texts, and also macros. I'm just going here to my PowerPoint. It's just a quick rundown of my relationships, and here's just a quick rundown of my relationships, identifying each primary key and secondary key. And here's a screenshot of my relationships. As you can see here, there's 120 relationships all connected to each of the tables. And this is just a series of screenshots of wireframes. This is for the menu. This is a sample form. This is a sample report showing a quick rundown of what my site would look like if it was viewed online. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you.